The first concept of Lean Six Sigma was created in 2001 in a book entitled Leaning into Six Sigma: The Path to Integration of Lean Enterprise and Six Sigma, which was written by Barbara Wheat, Chuck Mills, and Mike Carnell. The book was developed as a guide for managers of manufacturing plants on how to combine lean manufacturing and Six Sigma in order to dramatically improve quality and cycle times in the plant. Wheat, Mills, and Carnell narrate the story of a company who was skeptical about implementing Lean Six Sigma, but as a result of doing so was able to successfully improve the quality and efficiency in all aspects of business. Although Lean and Six Sigma are different processes, they are complementary, and they share many similarities that allows them to flow together seamlessly. Lean Six Sigma provides various benefits for organizations. It not only saves money, but also changes the attitude of employees and the functionality of the organization. The Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle is an iterative design and management method used in business for the control and continuous improvement of processes and products. Multiple iterations of the PDCA cycle are repeated until the problem is solved. A fundamental principle of the scientific method and the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle is iteration. Once a hypothesis is confirmed or negated, executing the cycle again will extend the knowledge further. Repeating the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle can bring its users closer to the goal, usually a perfect operation or output. The Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle is associated with W. Edwards Deming, who is considered by many to be the father of modern quality control. However, he used the PDSA or Plan, Do, Study Act and referred to it as the Shewhart cycle. The concept of PDCA is based on the scientific method, as developed from the work of Francis Bacon. The scientific method can be written as hypothesis, experiment, evaluation, or as plan, do, check. Continuous improvement is an organizational approach to identifying opportunities for improvement that can help an organization meet its goals for increasing profits, reducing costs, and accelerating innovation. Opportunities also enhance the quality of a product or service, improve safety, and result in happier customers, patients, and staff. Opportunities for improvement exist in every company, in every job, and in every workflow. Organizations that recognize this fact and engage their entire workforce in identifying those opportunities work to create a culture of continuous improvement. By engaging frontline workers in improvement efforts, organizations are able to improve on a more granular level than is visible to managers and senior leaders. It is the responsibility of senior leaders to determine the overarching organizational goals, which managers and staff then work to achieve using the continuous improvement method. The list of requirements that is developed in the definition phase can be used to make design choices. In the design phase, one or more designs are developed with which the project result can apparently be achieved. Depending on the subject of the project, the products of the design phase can include dioramas, sketches, flowcharts, site trees, prototypes, and more. The project supervisors use these diagrams to choose the definitive design that will be produced in the project. This is followed by the development phase, as in the definition phase. Once the design has been chosen, it cannot be changed in a later stage of the project. The implementation phase involves putting the project plan into action. It is here that the team will coordinate and direct project resources to meet the objectives of the project plan. As the project unfolds, it is the team's job to direct and manage each activity, every step of the way. That is what happens in the implementation phase of the project's lifecycle. You follow the plan you have put together and handle any problems that come up. The implementation phase is where the team actually does the project work to produce the deliverables. The word deliverable means anything your project delivers. The deliverables for your project include all of the products or services that you and your team are performing for the client, customer, or sponsor, including all of the project management documents that you have put together. A continual improvement process is an ongoing effort to improve products, services, or processes. These efforts can seek incremental improvements over time or breakthrough improvements all at once. Delivery of the customer valued processes are constantly evaluated and improved in light of their efficiency, effectiveness, and flexibility. Some see the continual improvement process as a meta process for most management systems. W. Edwards Deming, a pioneer of the field, saw it as part of the system whereby feedback from the process and customer were evaluated against organizational goals. The fact that it can be called a management process does not mean that it needs to be executed by management, but rather merely that it makes decisions about the implementation of the delivery process and the design of the delivery process itself. A broader definition is at the Institute of Quality Assurance, who define continuous improvement as the gradual, never ending change which is focused on increasing the effectiveness and or efficiency of an organization to fulfill its policy and objectives. It is not limited to quality initiatives. Improvement in business strategy, business results, customer, employee, and supplier relations can be subject to continual improvement. Put simply, it means getting better all the time. Every week, we upload new videos between 5 and 10 minutes in length, where we will focus on the strategic implementation of Lean and Six Sigma. As a Six Sigma expert, I am passionate about quality. And if you are too, then click subscribe to be notified whenever we upload our next Lean Six Sigma video.